almost there, and it flowed all the way through. Let's cool it. And let's see how it is. As you can see, it pulled all the way through. Let's clean it up to give it a better look. And as you can see, all the way through, nice and flush. So little recap, you need to heat the whole object, not only the points you're soldering. Don't heat directly the solder joint, but around it, because you want to heat the pulls out the solder into your object. And of course, the preparation, make sure it's clean, make sure it's fitting tight, use enough borax, and you'll be all right.